Hello guys, I hope you are okay. So today I'm going to say some life quotes. I hope you guys would love it. So here you go. So my first quote is, I am at the stage in my life where I keep myself out of unnecessary arguments. So even if you tell me 1 plus 1 is equal to 5, you are absolutely correct. Enjoy. Life isn't meant to be easy, it's meant to be lived. Sometimes happy, other times rough, but every up and down you learn lessons that make you strong. When life gives you 100 reasons to cry, show life that you have 1,000 reasons to smile. Lessons in life will be repeated until they are learned. You can't go back and change the beginning, but you can start where you are and change the ending. Don't wait for everything to be perfect before you decide to enjoy your life. You can't start the next chapter of your life if you keep rereading the last one. Keep your eyes on the stars and your feet on the ground. In the end, it's not the years in your life that count. It's the life in your ears. Every next level of your life will demand a different you of your dreams. Okay guys, thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.